Hey, and welcome to a new video in the world of viewneo and at the same time to a new series of videos. This one is called viewneo in other operating systems. I'm Julius and it's great to have you here. In this format, it's about making viewneo available on other operating systems, like for example to use Windows, Mac, Linux, or Android without using a signage box. Because there is a player software from viewneo for that. With this, we can easily bring our content to other playback devices, whether it's a tablet, PC, an iPad, or even an Amazon Fire TV stick. In order to accomplish that, all we require is a viewneo account with an active subscription along with the player software itself. But beware, you can only get the full functionality of viewneo when using it with the signage box. Today, I will demonstrate how the entire thing appears on iOS and explain the setup process using the iPad Pro. The first step is, of course, to look for the app in the App Store and then download it. We'll do that once here. We're looking for some viewneo players. There we have him already. And I've already downloaded it before. He is already here. If we open the app now, the window Welcome to viewneo will appear here. We can simply click on Start Here Now to begin. To proceed, kindly agree to the data protection once. Following that, an activation key will be sent to you. This key is necessary for registering the player or device on the viewneo CMS. Please enter the activation key in the provided field to complete the registration process. So here we are already. Alright, let's turn left here to the Devices tab, click on the plus sign at the top, and now we can effortlessly configure our device here. At the moment, my plan is to designate the entire entity as iPad Pro. In this location, we have the capability to incorporate additional components. I will guarantee that the time zone and update interval are dynamically modified in real time. The rest works for me. We click on Save. And now, at this particular juncture, we have the opportunity to input the activation key in the designated space provided up above. We are able to visually perceive the alphanumeric sequence E91TMX being displayed on the screen. Device group iPad Pro works for me. We'll choose a playlist in just a moment. We can set the time zone again. It works the same way as before. Click Save to save the changes. So that something can be displayed on our iPad, we obviously need content. That's why I'm going to quickly create something using the weather plugin in viewneo. Here, Dusseldorf is the perfect place for me as the temperature is measured in Celsius, which suits me well. Therefore, it appears that this is the situation at hand. At this moment, our next step is to generate a playlist which we will simply refer to as iPad Pro. Next, we insert the template here. After that, we'll make our way back to the machines and continue with the task at hand. Now naturally, we select the iPad Pro playlist here, which I recently created for this specific purpose. Next, we proceed to click on the Save button in order to save our changes made to the document. Next, we'll proceed to download the content directly to the playlist within the app. As a result, the template is displayed on my iPad Pro. This integration ensures a seamless experience, making the app an ideal choice for managing and enjoying multimedia while on the go. If we're just stumbling around here in the middle, we'll get more device and app details, can update or unsubscribe. And that's pretty much it. With Vimeo, there's much more you can do than just this weather template. In the template designer, there are absolutely no limits and you can truly let your creativity run wild. If you're more interested in the template designer, make sure to check out the video showcasing all its functions and features. I'll link the whole thing up here in the info card. So that's it for the first release of using viewneo in other operating systems. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.